A cell is like a city that is alive with many organelles performing specific, specialized functions to keep it alive and running. Let's take a tour inside this busy city. First, the nucleus. This organelle is like the corporation building or the collector's office. It holds the city's blueprints and plans, the chromosomes made of DNA, with genes as the detailed instructions. This is where all the important decisions are made, directing how the city grows and functions smoothly. Next, the plasma membrane, or cell membrane. This organelle is like the city wall. It separates the city from the outside world, allowing some people and goods to enter or exit while blocking others. We now visit the endoplasmic reticulum, ER. This organelle is like the city's factory and transport network. It has two zones: the rough ER, busy with workers called ribosomes, producing essential goods called proteins, and the smooth ER, which makes fats and detoxify harmful substances. Together, the ER also acts as the main highway system, moving materials across the city. Nearby are the ribosomes. These tiny organelles are like the city's workshops. They are dedicated to producing proteins, the building blocks that keep everything running efficiently across the metropolis. Close to the factories stands the Golgi apparatus. This organelle is like the city's packaging and postal service. It takes products from the ER, sorts and wraps them, and dispatches them to their correct destinations. Every city needs waste management, right? That's the job of the lysosomes. These organelles are like the garbage disposal and recycling plants. Mostly found in animal cell cities, they break down trash, old structures, and invaders, keeping the place clean. With their enzymes, they can demolish and renew the city by getting rid of old, non-functioning parts of the city. Where does the city get its power? From the mighty mitochondria. These organelles are like the power plants. They generate ATP, the energy currency that fuels all activities, from construction to transportation. Just like different cities may have their own special features, some cells have extra organelles that give them unique abilities. For example, plant cell cities have a few more structures that help them survive and grow. The cell wall is like an extra fortress wall, giving strength and protection. Plastids, such as chloroplasts, are like solar power stations. They capture sunlight and, using carbon dioxide and water, produce food for the city through photosynthesis. Vacuoles are like storage warehouses, holding water, supplies, and waste. In animal cells, they are small and scattered, while in plant cells, they are large and central. So you see, a cell is like a self-sufficient city, where every part, every organelle, plays a vital role in keeping life thriving. That's why the cell is called the fundamental unit of life. Cells are small, but throw big questions. Let us ponder some more.